Most people compare DirecTV Stream and Hulu Live TV the wrong way. They look at the starting price and stop there. But here's the truth no one tells you. The cheapest option on paper is not always the one that costs less at the end of the month. In this video, you'll see the real price difference between DirecTV Stream and Hulu Live TV in 2026. We'll compare monthly costs, hidden fees, channel value, sports coverage, DVR limits, and the one extra charge that surprises almost everyone. And by the end, you'll know exactly which service gives you more for your money. Let's get straight to the answer. Right now, Hulu Live TV is usually cheaper for most people. The standard Hulu Live TV bundle with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus costs less than most comparable DirecTV Stream packages. But that does not automatically make Hulu the better deal. Here's where it gets interesting. DirecTV Stream includes many regional sports networks that Hulu dropped years ago. So if you watch local NBA, MLB, or NAL games, the cheaper option might actually force you to buy extra services later. Let's break this down clearly. First, let's talk about base pricing. Hulu Live TV usually starts around the low $80 range per month. That includes live channels, Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, unlimited DVR, and access on multiple devices. DirecTV Stream pricing is more complicated. Their entry-level entertainment package usually starts higher than Hulu. Then their choice package jumps even more because it includes regional sports channels. Now this is where most people fail. They compare Hulu Live TV to DirecTV's cheapest package. But the cheaper DirecTV plan often misses channels people actually want, especially sports fans. For example, imagine Jake watches ESPN, TNT, ABC, and local football games. Hulu Live TV covers that easily. But if Jake also wants his local regional sports network for baseball season, Hulu may not have it. DirecTV Stream likely does, but only on the more expensive choice package. So suddenly, the comparison changes completely. Hulu looks cheaper up front. DirecTV Stream may replace multiple subscriptions. That's the first major difference. Now, let's talk about hidden costs, because this is where streaming gets frustrating fast. One reason people left cable was equipment fees and contracts. Hulu Live TV keeps things simple. One price. No box required. No long-term contract. DirecTV Stream also avoids contracts for most users now, which is good. But some people still end up renting streaming devices or upgrading packages more often because of sports access. And there's another issue people rarely talk about: taxes and regional fees. Some streaming services add small regional charges depending on location. Hulu tends to stay cleaner with pricing. DirecTV Stream pricing can feel closer to traditional cable, depending on the setup. In a minute, I'll show you which service actually saves more money over a full year, because the answer might surprise you. But first, let's compare channels. Hulu Live TV gives you strong mainstream coverage. You get Disney-owned channels, ESPN networks, local channels in most areas, news channels, entertainment channels, and access to Hulu's on-demand library. That last part matters more than people think. A lot of users cancel Netflix because Hulu already includes thousands of shows and movies. So Hulu Live TV can replace multiple apps at once. DirecTV Stream focuses more on traditional cable viewers. The channel lineup feels very familiar if you're coming from Comcast, Spectrum, or satellite TV icon. You get strong news coverage, entertainment, and most importantly, better regional sports availability. But here's the problem. If you do not care about sports, especially local sports, DirecTV Stream becomes harder to justify financially. Let's say Alex mainly watches reality TV, Hulu originals, NFL games, and Disney content for his kids. Hulu Live TV becomes a much stronger value because Disney Plus and ESPN Plus are already included. Now compare that to someone like John who watches local MLB games every week. Hulu may force him to use extra services like MLB TV or another sports package. DirecTV Stream could actually save him money overall. So the cheapest option depends heavily on what you watch. Now let's talk DVR, because this used to be a huge difference. Years ago, Hulu Live TV had DVR limitations. People hated it. DirecTV Stream felt smoother. But in 2026, Hulu offers unlimited DVR storage for most plans. That completely changed the game. You can record sports, shows, movies, and keep content longer without stressing about space. DirecTV Stream also improved DVR features a lot, but Hulu's DVR system now feels more competitive than many people realize. And there's another detail most reviews ignore: streaming quality and app stability. DirecTV Stream actually performs very well for live sports. The stream quality is solid. Channel flipping feels closer to cable. Sports fans often prefer it because of smoother navigation. Hulu Live TV is improving, but some users still complain about the interface feeling cluttered, especially during live sports browsing. So if you want the closest experience to old-school cable, DirecTV Stream probably wins there. But if you care more about value and bundled content, Hulu has a major advantage. Now here's where things get really important. Let's compare yearly costs. Suppose Hulu Live TV costs roughly $83 monthly. Over a year, that's just under $1,000 before taxes. Now let's say DirecTV Stream Choice costs over $100 monthly after fees and upgrades. That yearly difference can easily become several $100s. That gap matters, especially if you already pay for Netflix Max, Peacock, or Paramount Plus separately. This is why Hulu Live TV works well for budget-conscious households. It combines live TV and streaming libraries together. But sports fans still face one big issue: regional sports networks. This is the single reason many users choose DirecTV Stream despite the higher price. For example, if your local baseball team only appears on Bally Sports or another regional channel, Hulu Live TV probably will not carry it. DirecTV Stream often does. So the real question becomes simple: are regional sports worth paying extra for? For some viewers, absolutely yes. For others, not even close. Now let's compare add-ons, because this is another hidden cost trap. Hulu offers premium upgrades like Max, Showtime, and extra channels. But because Hulu already includes Disney Plus and ESPN Plus, you may need fewer subscriptions overall. DirecTV Stream also offers premium channel add-ons, but the total price climbs quickly. This is where many people accidentally recreate a cable bill without realizing it. They start at one package, then add sports, then premium channels, then movie networks. Suddenly, the monthly total becomes massive. In a minute, I'll give you the easiest way to decide between these two services without overthinking it. But first, let's talk device support and household sharing. Both services work on smart TVs, streaming sticks, phones, tablets, and gaming consoles. Hulu Live TV works especially well if your home already uses Disney apps regularly. Everything feels connected. DirecTV Stream works best for households replacing traditional cable entirely. Older viewers often find the layout more familiar, and that matters more than people admit. If parents or grandparents struggle with streaming apps, DirecTV Stream may feel easier to navigate. Now let's make this decision simple. Choose Hulu Live TV if you want the lower monthly cost, bundled streaming services, unlimited DVR, strong entertainment content, and good overall value. Choose DirecTV Stream if regional sports are essential, you want a cable-style experience, and you do not mind paying more monthly. That's really the core difference. Entertainment value versus sports access. Now here's a mistake you absolutely want to avoid. Do not sign up before checking your local channel availability. Local ABC, Fox, NBC, and sports channels can vary by zip code. Always confirm your exact channels first. This is especially important for NFL season. A lot of people assume every service carries every local game. That is not always true. And here's another smart move. Take advantage of free trials whenever possible. Watch the actual interface. Test stream quality. Check local sports access. See how quickly channels load. Because pricing matters, but daily usability matters too. Imagine saving $15 monthly, but hating the app every day. That saving stops feeling worth it pretty fast. Now, let's answer the biggest question directly. Which service is actually cheaper? For most households, Hulu Live TV wins on total value and lower monthly cost. But for dedicated sports fans who need regional sports networks, DirecTV Stream can actually become the better financial choice because it replaces other sports subscriptions. Wow! That's the key takeaway most comparison videos miss. The cheapest service depends on what you would otherwise need to buy separately. If you only care about mainstream entertainment, Hulu Live TV is probably the smarter deal. If live local sports are non-negotiable, DirecTV Stream may justify the higher price. So before you choose, ask yourself one question. What do you actually watch every week? That answer will save you more money than any promotional discount ever will. If this video helped you understand the real difference between DirecTV Stream and Hulu Live TV, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with the streaming service you currently use. And if you want more simple comparisons that save you money and help you avoid bad subscriptions, check out the next video right now.